Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off or disable sticky keys in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, you need to type settings. Once you've typed it, wait for the best match to appear. Okay? So once the best match appeared in your window, proceed by double tapping. And here, once you're being redirected at the settings, go for the left side of your screen. It has this list of options. Now you need to look for accessibility, which I can see here next to gaming. Tap it to continue. And the moment you tap it, you will see different categories under accessibility. It has vision, hearing, and interaction. Now, in our case, we'll be proceeding to interaction. Another dot, it has four options: speech, keyboard, mouse, and eye control. Now proceed to keyboard, tap it to continue. Once you have clicked the keyboard, you will be redirected here to the keyboard options on shortcuts as well. Here you can see at the very first of it, sticky, filter, and toggle keys. And under that, it has these four options. Now here it has the sticky keys, which what we are looking for. Press keyboard shortcuts that use multiple keys such as Control plus S1 key at a time. Now, in order to disable that, if in your case it is on, simply click it to turn that off. Okay? So in that manner, you have just successfully in disable your sticky keys. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.